Okay, folks. So, did you ever have an electricity cut at home? I'm sure everyone in this room can say that yes, we have had electricity cut at home. And all what you had was maybe a lighting candle and a deck of cards. Well, take for example the king card. Now, the king card is an excellent example of central symmetry. So, the definition for central symmetry is symmetry with respect to a point or a line. So the principles, every part has a matching part that are the same distance from the central point, but it appears in the opposite direction. So let's look at the king card. So here's the line, going from the top of the king card, from the hat on the top of the king, down through what appears to be a line or a point, we're not sure yet, and it goes to the top of the king, but the king is appearing in the opposite direction. And all these lines represent this. So here we have our center of symmetry, which is a point, noted here. So in relation to the king card, each part of the king are the same distance from the line of symmetry, or the point in this case, but appears in the opposite direction. So moving swiftly along to the Volkswagen sign. Here we have a line going through the intersection of two axes, and another one. Now it is important to note that the distance from the line of the original Volkswagen image to the intersection of the two axes, which is the center of symmetry, is the same distance from the center of symmetry to the new image, which appears in the opposite direction. So moving swiftly along to our construction. So our original triangle, ABC, and our new image, A dash, B dash, C dash. So A from the original triangle transfers through point O, which is the center of symmetry, to give us A dash. Likewise, B goes through O to give us B dash, and C passes through O to give us C dash. So it is very important to note the distance from A to O is equal to the distance from O to A dash. The new image appears in the opposite direction to the given image. We can also see that B to the center of symmetry, O, is the same distance from O to B dash, and likewise C to O is the same distance from O to C dash.